Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Blossom Dance Armor. Start by finishing the Blossom Festival prologue to unlock event tasks and vendor access. Focus on daily challenges that grant event tokens and trade them for armor pieces. Target the named bosses that drop upgrade materials and bring a team optimized for burst damage. Track your token totals and avoid wasting currency on cosmetic items you do not need. In this video, I will explain optimal farming routes for Blossom Dance Armor. Begin in the Northern Glade, where event spawns cluster and chain encounters for fast token gains. Use movement skills or mount boosts to cut travel downtime, and stick to loops with respawn timers under 5 minutes. Coordinate with friends to split spawn points and loot faster. Keep an eye on map indicators to avoid wasted runs. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation that pairs well with in-game planning. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. On another note, the book The Simple Path to Wealth offers simple, practical money advice that can change how you manage earnings from games and real life. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you craft and upgrade your Blossom Dance Armor efficiently. First, gather base pieces and event catalysts, then craft the set at the designated workbench. Use boss-specific drops and enhancement stones to raise item level, focusing upgrades on chest and legs for immediate stat gains. Save a portion of your tokens for crucial upgrades and avoid overspending on minor cosmetics until your set reaches desired power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.